If you're having Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or network connection problems on your Huawei MatePad Air, here's how to reset all network settings. First, we're going to go to Open Settings. From Open Settings, we're going to scroll down to System right here. Go ahead and click that. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to Reset. Go ahead and click Reset. As you can see, it says Reset Network Settings. So we're going to go ahead and click that. So this will reset all network settings, including the WLAN, the mobile data, and Bluetooth and Neuralink. So we're going to go ahead and click Reset. And now at this point, you're going to put in your password. Once you put in the password, it's going to ask you to confirm. And then your Huawei MatePad Air will reset all Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and network settings. So go ahead and put in your password. I'm not going to do it for the video's sake, but once you put in the password, it will reset. And that's how you reset all network settings on your Huawei MatePad Air. If this video has helped, please consider liking or subscribing, commenting. Appreciate it, and see you next time.